Hey everybody, my name is Awais and I welcome you to another video on the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my newly created course on Udemy called Building Advanced Registration System. So I will share the promotional video I created for that course on Udemy, and if you decide to take that course, please have a look at the description of this video. I will drop a 80% off coupon code for you guys. Hi, my name is Awais and I welcome you to this project-based course. In this course, we will build a registration and login system using MeanStack. Mean stands for MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node.js. We will use all these technologies to build this registration and a login system. And also we will implement some advanced authentication within this application. So let's take a look at the demo of the application. So right now I can see I am on the social app homepage. We have mainly 4 buttons. We have a users button, which will take us to the users page and show us all the users. We have a registration where we can register users. We have a login where we can log in with email and password. So basically this app has a front-end project and a back-end project. Backend project will handle all the requests coming into the backend project and storing the data in MongoDB. We will use MLab as our database host, and we have a front-end project. Obviously, we built the front-end project using Angular 5. A little bit about myself. I'm Awais Mirza and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. I have more than 5 years of experience building web applications and mobile applications. And also I'm the founder of a YouTube channel called Awais Mirza, which has over 55,000 subscribers. I'm really excited to have you on board, and I'm really excited to build this registration system with you guys so you could implement the skills you learn in this course in your next amazing project.